And welcome to all the students. Over here, we are studying the chapter number 5, that is the towards green energy. Last time we have seen about the hydropower station. Today we'll study about the electricity obtained from the wind. How wind is used to obtain electricity. Windmills are used specially. So wind has a velocity that has a kinetic energy. This velocity of wind is used to rotate the turbines of the wind turbines, that is called, which is connected a large fan which creates a pressure difference due to the air, and the axle of that wind turbine is connected to the gearbox, and it is finally connected to the generator, and generator rotates. The coil inside the generator produces the electric energy. The schematic diagram is given here. Now see here, the air is blowing. When air flows, these are the fins. They are designed in such way that they creates a pressure difference, that is called blades. So the blades are rotates and it is connected to the gearbox. This is the gearbox, and axle of this gearbox is connected to the generator, and generator produce the electric energy. So in this way, kinetic energy of wind is converted into kinetic energy of turbine, and it is converted to electric energy. Let us study about the detail about the electricity obtained from wind. Now these are the windmills. They are designed in such a way that the machine which converts kinetic energy of wind into electric energy, that is called wind turbines. So these many windmills are connected. They are constructed on the height or on the mountain sides, that is called as a wind farm. So these are the blades of the windmills. When air blows, it has a kinetic energy, and due to that it rotates due to pressure difference, and their axle is connected to gearbox, and generator produce the electric energy. In this method of electric energy, when the fast moving wind strikes the blade or the turbine, the blade starts rotating very fastly due to pressure difference, and this connected to the axle, and generator is also there. That gearbox is connected to generator. The function of the gearbox is to increase the rotation per unit time. That is the function of the gearbox. In this method, the rotating blades drives the turbine, and the turbine in turn drives the generator to generate electricity, and then electricity is transported. So in this here, the flow chart, when the wind has a velocity that used to turbines and connected to generator and to obtain the electric energy. In this way, this is the flow chart, how electricity is obtained in the wind farm. So wind with required velocity means it has kinetic energy of wind is converted into kinetic energy in turbines, and kinetic energy are converted into electric energy. Yes. Now where are the locations? Where are the wind energy farms projects are there in our India? In Tamil Nadu state, there is one project having a capacity of 1500 Mupandal. That is the place. In Rajasthan also, there is also wind power station. It has a power 1064 megawatt, Jaisalmer. So these different locations, the windmills are designed at different heights. Blades have some height to create the pressure difference. Depending upon the wind velocity available, the wind farms are installed in the various locations. So the wind is not constant. The wind is not constant, and it is moving sometime less or sometime more. That's why it creates a problem, and not obtain a continuous amount of electricity in this method. So places like seashore where wind velocity is really high are the only places for the appropriate installation of wind turbines, because there is a more wind velocity. Minimum wind speed of satisfactory working for wind generation and power generation is 14 to 16 km per hour. That is required. Yes. So at the seashore, on the mountain tops, the wind is creating a pressure difference, and in this way the wind energy can be obtained. So in this video, we will study about how electricity generation using a wind energy. Means wind has kinetic energy. This kinetic energy of wind is used to rotate the blades. Yes, these blades are designed in such a way that they create a pressure difference, and the blades axle is connected to the gearbox, and gearbox is connected to the generator, and generator produces the electricity, and that electricity is transported for various purposes. So this is the video regarding the wind energy. It is a eco-friendly source of energy. It do not produce any type of pollution or does not harm, and it requires a place where maximum air can be available, or on the top of the mountains, means bare land. You can install this wind powers, mountain tops, near the seashore areas. Yes, in the desert areas also we can install this type of wind energy farm, and will get a energy continuously. As soon as the wind velocity available, more amount of wind air blows will obtain. Now next we'll study about the solar energy, how electricity is obtained from solar.